my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm trying to hide my unmade bed. In today's video, you read the title correct. It is RG's big boy room makeover reveal transformation video. The final reveal. I know RG's room was definitely a work in progress, you guys. I switched and changed that room so many times I lost count. It was a lot, but either way, today is the day. I'm gonna be sharing with you every little detail of RG's room, the reveal. I'm really excited about it, but there's no way that I could share this video without taking you all back in time and looking at the progress of the room and how we got to where we are now. So I'm definitely gonna include some B-roll in there of just the process and everything RG's room. But before we get into today's video, no, it's not sponsored, but I wanted to shout out my blog really quickly. My blog got a makeover. If you've been following for a while, you know in the description box, I have a blog post linked with all of the details of my home. Everything's linked on the blog. I have so many products on the blog, but I wanted to plug it in today's video because maybe you're looking at RG's room and you're thinking that's cool, but I kind of want something different. I went shopping all over the internet and put together a blog post all about toddler room must-haves. I found so many different cute toddler pieces from decor, furniture, accessories, and everything in between. So definitely check out that blog post if you're interested. I really want my blog to be a place where like I'm your personal shopper. Think of me as your personal shopper. I go all over the internet finding home decor, lifestyle products, beauty, fashion, all that good stuff, and put it in one place. So you can sign up for the newsletter. You'll get notified. Definitely sign up for the newsletter because I'm gonna be sending out home decor, maybe some videos sprinkled in there as well that are only going to be for my newsletter fam. So definitely sign up, check it out. Let me know what you think about the blog. We worked really, really hard on it. It took us months. I worked with a team. I kept you all in mind. So please check it out. I'm really proud of it. If you're in the shopping spirit, the shopping mood, the blog, caralanelle.com is the place you want to be. If you're shopping for your new place, new apartment, some fall decor that I don't feature on my channel is gonna be over on the blog. So with all of that being said, if you wanna check out RG's room makeover, how we went to a completely empty bare room to what it is now, I'm so in love with it. RG is in love with it, and I hope you all like it too. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then please just keep on watching.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far away.
Okay, you guys, if you are ready to see the final reveal, the grand reveal, the makeover of, I was gonna say a century, but like, I mean, we haven't been waiting that long, but it's a big deal. If you are ready to see RG's final room reveal, room makeover, let's get a countdown going in 3, 2, 1. Again, if you have been following for a while, you have seen this room a few times, but it is officially done. I'm so excited with how it looks. I think it is absolutely perfect for a little toddler boy. Let's start over here and just kind of work our way around the room just so you can see everything. But when you first walk in, you are greeted at the door with this tree. Everything will be linked down below. More More stuff is gonna be on the blog, like I said, but this tree right here, I absolutely love. I think it's very unique and different. It just kind of spoke to me. Like there's something about this that is just like so cool about it. And I was like, oh, this will be perfect in RG's room. We just put it in this basket that we had. Honestly, I think this was when RG was first born. It was in his nursery. We still kept it. She's hanging in there. And then next to it, we just have a couple of pieces of wall art. I thought this was really cool and made it youthful. I did not want RG's room to be like over the top. So I definitely wanted more like neutral pieces that were still youthful. So I have this lion up here. I think he's really cool. Or he or she is very cool. And then we also have this animal art over here and it says wild and free. You guys, finding a balance between like, obviously I wanted it to be cohesive with the room, but I wanted it to feel youthful and fun was a little bit difficult, but I feel like we made it work. I think it looks really, really cute. Over here we have RG's dresser. This dresser was from when he was first born as well. It was in his nursery. We kept it. She's still going strong. I love this dresser because it kind of reminds me of like the 1950s luggage. Something about it looks like a trunk almost. Like they kind of got inspired by like old school, even like English style trunks and turned it into a dresser. I think it's really, really cool. It looks almost black, but it's a very dark bronze. We love it. We keep in here just like his little, you know, socks, undies, and pajamas. And then we also have like bedding in here. And yeah, we just really, really like this. It's really sturdy, great quality. Love this piece. Definitely worth all of the money. Then we have his baby monitor, of course, and then a sound machine. That's pretty standard, I feel. But I absolutely love this mirror. You guys, I feel like I've been saying this a lot, but his room went through so many different transformations. We had a different mirror up here at one point. We actually had 2 different mirrors up here at one point. Finally settled on this one. I absolutely love it. I say settled, but I'm glad I didn't just settle with what I had purchased. And I'm glad I changed my mind because I'm so much happier with this. Then in this corner, I absolutely love it. This is RG's quiet time corner. Although since he's been at school, not much quiet time happening over here for him, but still this is like his little like reading corner. We have a chair right here that swivels. I love this chair. Let me move the little animal here and the blanket so you can really see the pleating detail. I think it's just really, really cool. We just threw a little blanket and have his little animal friend. My mom got him this. I'm not too sure where she got that from, but I think it's just really, really cute. They like to swivel in this and just kind of play around. Briella really likes crawling up on here. It's cute. They'll read, look at books together. Speaking of books, up here we have 3 little bookshelves and then we have different books on each shelf. I took the covers off of these books so it wouldn't be so loud and it would just look a little bit more muted. And I'm really, really glad that I did that because as much as like it's a small detail, it really doesn't matter at the end of the day. But taking the covers off and just having the solid cover book to me just looks a lot nicer. And obviously having like some elements of like, okay, you can tell it's a kid's book. I think it's just really, really cute and I like it. It's the little things. This is very, very hard to show with the lighting, but basically he has a kind of like tan kind of curtain and then we have shades over here, curtain rod. And then if you turn to this wall, so I guess I'll start with the rug. I absolutely love it. It's got like these little crosses on them or plus signs, whatever you see. To me, I see a cross. And then we have RG's nightstands over here. Absolutely love these. And because you'll see in a minute, we switched up RG's closet. We decided to keep his books underneath in the nightstand. So you can see over here, we have that same concept of just like the books underneath here. I think it looks cute. I think it makes it look a little bit more youthful as well. I will say that the nightstands are pretty mature, which is good because it can grow with RG, but adding the books underneath just really made it a little bit more youthful, a little bit more little boyish. And obviously like as he gets older, he can take, you know, those little baby books out and put, you know, I don't know, like whatever he needs underneath here. Really think that's cute. We got new sconces. Again, a lot of this, if you keep up with the home updates, you have seen. Absolutely love these sconces. I love that they are actually functional this time compared to the other ones. Then we did it's not a board and batten wall, it's just kind of like a wood accent wall, I guess you could call it. I think it looks really cool. Rob did this detailing. The wall color we did not change. It's the same wall color. We just painted the thin wood paneling white, and I think it just added something to the wall. I didn't want it to be cluttered. I feel like naturally you see a blank wall, you're like, let me just put stuff on it, put frames, put decor, put something. But if you just either change the color, add a wallpaper, add like a little decorative accent on the actual wall, it can really bring it to life, and I absolutely love how it turned out. We do have our wall art up here. This is from Home Goods, so I can't link it, but I think it's really, really cute. I feel like it looks nice in here. It's simple, but there's a pattern on it, which makes it really cool. And then his bed, I absolutely love his bed. His bed has come a long way, you guys. I think, what is this, like the third bed setup that we've had in here? You guys, this room was a struggle for me, but I love it. I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's a very dark kind of olivey green color, which I think is really cool. And then he has all of his stuffed animals, bedding. This is actually a full-size bed. I think it's the perfect size. Archie's always like comfy in here. It's cute with all the little animals. I really like this setup. And then obviously over here we have the same thing going on with the nightstand and the sconces. And this is the moment right here. I just absolutely love it. Archie loves it. I think it's just really, really cute and fun for him. And it just is his big boy room. I'm so happy with it. But if you come over here, we have a shelf. This little triangular shelf is really cool. We usually have like a little truck up here, but Briella wanted it, and I did not want little mama to be fussing, so she has the truck right now. But we just keep like little miscellaneous toys. Honestly, like these little toys and magnets were few and far between. They got misplaced, so I just grabbed what we had and put them up here. And then he has a tic-tac-toe board, which I think is also very fun, adds to the youthfulness of the room. And I think this is really cool. I found this on Etsy. Again, I'll link it. He doesn't exactly know how to play. Like, he likes taking them off. He'll play a little bit, but yeah, we're working on the tic-tac-toe skill. Now, if you come over to the closet, this is another reveal, and I'm so excited about it. Rob did such an amazing job. It's pretty much, it's pretty much the exact same setup that Briella has in her room, minus like a couple of things. Archie has baskets now. This is not 100% how I want it to be, because if you notice, this pull-out tray right here does not have a piece of glass over it. It doesn't have the insert in it. The insert is in here, but if I put the insert here, then this piece of art like bends on it. So we're just leaving it like this for now, and once IKEA gets more stock of their glass shelves, we'll do that, finish that, show it in a home update. But for now, this is what it's looking like. He has his piggy bank up there from when he was a baby. We've got like t-shirts, long sleeve, some short sleeve. We've got pants down there. We've got more pants, swim shorts. We've got shorts in this drawer, some extra bedding like blankets and things. His uniform shirts, more like, honestly, this is kind of mix mash. I don't know who put this in here. This is swim. This should not be in here. But anyway, it doesn't matter. This is basically what the closet is looking like. Obviously, like I said, I'm gonna add like more little, like little decor pieces up there, maybe something up there, like maybe 2 baskets. We'll see as time progresses. But basically, this is the closet. Rob killed it as usual. I'm obsessed. So yeah, you guys, I'll do one last pan over the room. Absolutely love it. I love how it turned out. RG's room is officially done. No more switching, changing. I mean, don't hold your breath. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, guys. The room is done. It's officially done. I'm very, very happy with it. I think it looks awesome. Most importantly, RG likes it. Give this video a thumbs up for Rob fixing it up, for me coming up with all these 1,000,001 ideas, and for RG, because at the end of the day, this is his room. We love him, and I'm so happy that he has a room all of his own that he's happy in, and that's really all that matters.